It's finally completed, guys.
Hello, everybody. Southern Railway 5973 Productions here, and here's what I got. I got a new package. So, I ordered this from Amazon, and I was gonna open up. So, let's open this baby up. Almost there. Almost there. Oh, yeah. There we go. And voila! New Thomas and Friends Trackmaster train set. Monkey Palace set. From the episode Thomas and the Monkey Palace. Yeah. Looks cool, right? And plus, new Tommy tracks! Sorry about that. Yeah. So in other news, let's set this baby up! Yeah! Okay, so my magic trick is open the box with magic. Shazam! Voila! There's the magic trick, folks. I made the box open with my magic. Yeah. So let's take a look. Okay, guys. So, while I was getting the track cell, I noticed the sticker right here, and it has Raji from India. If you haven't seen them, okay, let me see. Okay, you haven't seen? Okay, look. Okay, the camera, okay? Yeah. There we go. Rajiv from India. Oh, come on, stupid camera. Okay, let's put it sticker right here. Together? Come on, camera. Zoom up. Okay. There you go. Rajiv from India with a monkey right here, and I'm the king or prince of India. Sorry, I just want to do Rajiv's voice.
Ooh, check out my crown! Check out my crown!
Thanks, Rajiv. Anyways, let's set this place up by fast mode. Okay, cue the samba music. It's finally completed, guys. Yeah. The set is finally complete. Now, on to a review of the detail, Thomas. Okay, so what I'm gonna review is this Trackmaster Thomas with the detail, and let's see what it looks like. It looks like he's have detail of monkeys and a red bird right there. Looks like a robin. And a lizard. He's covered all vines and leaves, and yeah, that's all. And I don't know what the hell is that. I don't know what the hell is that. And on the other side, monkeys, snakes, and I guess it looks like a bird. And another bird. Yeah. Yeah, he was covered in details with vines, birds, and reptiles. So that's the review of Trackmaster Thomas, and I'm gonna be comparing with my better Tommy Playrail Thomas that looks way better than the old Trackmaster Thomas that I used on my old account, Wheeling's Amazing Trains. Yeah, you see this difference right here? This is Tommy Playrail, this is Trackmaster. So the eyes look pretty good. No denying that. But to the Tommy Playrail Thomas, it looks completely awesome. I mean, I love that CGI face. It looks pretty good. Okay, so I'm not going to be running with this one because I'm going to be running with my better Tommy Playrail Thomas, which is fully good condition. So let's do this. Okay, so well, let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. What the heck? How did they do that? Hold on, let me just get this in position. What the hell? Okay, wait. Come on, you can do it. Didn't go that far this time? Come on, you can do this. Don't. Okay, let's just the rail. Okay, let's see if we can make it like catching that monkey right there. Okay, come on, go. Oh, you almost got it, buddy. Come on, you can do this. Ready? Catch it! Okay, let's try it. Okay, ready? Okay. Oh! Got it! Oh. Yeah. Back up again. Oh, sorry about that. Hope you enjoy your run, Thomas. Yeah. Yeah, that was the monkey place run set. So, I think that's all. Okay, guys, so, that's the end of the Monkey Palace set, if you want to call it. So, I'm gonna wrap up this video right now. But coming soon, my new Tommy Playrail product is coming up, which is I ordered Tommy Playrail Percy. So yeah, he's gonna be coming soon and be a permanent replacement for the old Trackmaster Percy that I'm gonna replace, which I ordered the Trackmaster Percy about a year ago. So I'm gonna wrap this. So thank you for watching, and also this is Southern Railway 5973 Productions leaving the station. Bye. Okay, I'm gonna get it. Yeah!